Okay, today I want to show you how to use Adobe Scan. This is actually an app that you would use on your phone. So you would go to the App Store and you would search for Adobe Scan Mobile, and you would download that first. So mine says open because I already had it on my phone. So I would just hit the open button, and again, this is the one you're looking for, this Adobe Scan. There's others, this is the one you want. So once you click it, it's going to show you right here in the corner you can take a picture. So then I hit take a picture, and you see me fumbling around for my document and then I find it. It doesn't look very clear on this. Be mindful, this is a screen recording off my phone, so it's not very clear here, but on the actual app it's crystal clear, just as good as if it were being scanned off a printer, which is really incredible. So then I capture this image, and you can see that it kind of cuts off the title. Well, obviously I wanted the title to be part of that. So it basically tries to be smart and say, this was the document, right? It's confused by this picture here and the words above it. So that's why it cut it off. And then I say, no, dude, I need that top part. And so then I just make that adjustment. I move that here and I move that here. And that's it. If I wanted to do another picture, if this were multiple pages, I would just hit continue and I would keep adding. But in this case, I only had one page. So then I said I was done. And once I have it all done, it shows me, it gives me an option to continue to edit it if I need to once I just click it. So here I can add a page, I can crop it if I need to, I could clean it up, I can do whatever I need to. And then here I can hit save PDF, so it would save to my phone. I can rename it here, and then I could send it. And you can send it in a couple different ways. So you could send it as a file, and you can also send it as a link, which I think is really interesting. So then it's all cloud-based, which is pretty neat. So you would just hit the share button, and here, as it's still uploading to the document cloud, it's not highlighted, but eventually once it's uploaded, which takes no time, I would either be able to share the link, email, or share a copy. And so if you're looking to scan and you don't have a scanner, maybe you're working from home, or you just want to save yourself time, this is a really great way to scan on the go. So I would recommend getting this on your phone. Again, it's called Adobe Scan. Thanks.